you.
Got the paddle blade in there. That's awesome.
So I don't know if we were wrong, but I swear to God, that camp right there is 41.2.
Lower, but isn't that lower?
That's Buck Farm
Buck
or whatever.
Farm.
That's what I think.
Buck Farm.
Buck Farm. That's what I think.
41.2, but
Not Buck
this
Farm,
says
Buck
what,
Farm.
44, doesn't it?
On the map, we have that other map, and it shows it being right here, pretty much.
Okay, we'll have to look.
I'll have to look at the other one. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe there's another boat down here I know that's crashed somewhere down in this canyon that is in that
Pieces
map.
with some paint, and there's paint flecks here and there. Nails.
Yeah.
It's cool seeing the nails.
I know, right?
It's screwed too.
Wow.
It's a boat made of like plywood and 1x2s. Crazy.
Yeah, I just can't imagine running this shit.
No way.